Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We are going to be talking about the brand new Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution Rich in Color eyeshadow palette, which of course I pulled out upside down because it's me and wouldn't be me if I didn't have a little mishap. But this is the brand new eyeshadow palette that she released. She actually released an entire collection with Makeup Revolution. She released the Rich in Life palette, which is a little bit more neutral, the Rich in Color palette, which I am wearing on my eyes today, and also face palettes. However, I ordered this off of the Ulta website, and at the time that I ordered it, the face palettes were not available. So I don't know if they ever will become available on the Ulta website. I imagine in the future, but I do know they are on the Makeup Revolution website. I just opted to go for the eyeshadow palette instead of both. But yeah, I'm so excited. That was a mouthful. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm hoping that everything looks fine. I'm checking myself in the monitor. In the monitor, the only thing I'm seeing is that my under eyes are looking a little brighter than normal, and like in person they don't look like that, but with these bright lights shining my face they kind of do. So hopefully that's not detracting from anything, because I genuinely love this look. I think this is one of the best looks that I've ever done. I'm so proud of it and how it turned out. And guys, this palette, it's good. It's good. It's really good. I was nervous, had no reason to be. This is a really good palette. So let's go ahead and just dive on in and talk about the eyeshadow palette. So this palette, the packaging is absolutely stunning. It's a tin packaging, which Patricia talked about in her launch video. And it's just very sleek, and it's big, so I don't know necessarily like if it's the easiest thing to travel with, but it's tiny enough and it has enough protection that you probably could travel with it and not have to worry too much about it. When you open it up, it has a very nice sized mirror there, and then all the other shades over here. So it has a total of 28 eyeshadow shades. It's a mix of mattes, shimmers, some pressed glitters, and there's some that are kind of like satiny shades. There's even a shade in there that kind of reminds me of the satin formula that, I don't have Tati's palette yet, but the satin formula that Tati or Glam Life Guru has in her eyeshadow palette that she kind of talked about. It kind of reminds me of that. So she has some really nice mixes of color in here. I'm actually going to, that's the other thing, it folds back, which is so convenient. And it's just a really nice array of colors. I love Patricia Bright. I have been a fan of hers for years now. Like, I have followed her for, I feel like 5 or more years. And I remember when she first hit like 500K on YouTube. I remember when she first hit her million. Like, I love her. I think she's amazing. And this really does, like, her entire collection really does speak to her. It's so sleek, and it feels very high-end, and Patricia is all about like affordable but also looking really nice and quality and classy. And I just think of her and I think of like a high class like woman of color. Genuinely, I think she's amazing. So congratulations, Patricia. If at any point you actually get to see this video, I really hope you know that you are just doing the thing for all of us women out here, especially as girls of color. And I'm really excited for you for this collection, and it makes me really proud because I've been following you for a long time, and I'm so impressed with this. It's so good. So the palette itself retails for $25 US, and it's just really phenomenal. So I have a tutorial on this look. It is a talkover because I have been feeling under the weather, and I just wanted to kind of do a little voiceover moment for you guys. Hey guys, so I was going to do a voiceover, but my voice sounds like this right now. I have lost my voice. And this is probably the best it sounded, so I don't want to put you through that. So instead, I'm just going to try and indicate any major changes through writing on here, but it's going to be just a playthrough with music. So sorry. I promise that the next time I'm able to, I will break it down for you guys, but I hope this one works. Thanks. But I do have a tutorial on it, and yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Oh, I'm so excited about it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep watching. Okay guys, and that is the review tutorial on this palette. Again, I'm so happy for you, Patricia. This is such a fantastic collection. I've literally been just like salivating over it for the past couple of weeks. When I got this palette, I immediately was just over the moon, like staring at it. I literally sat down and just stared at it and tried to think of like what potential looks I could do, and this is the one that came to me, and I'm just so excited. It's going to do so much for so many people, and this is just really a proud moment as a fellow woman of color, as a fellow Black girl out here in these streets. It's just really great to see somebody just succeeding and really, you know, pushing and making waves in the industry for us. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to Patricia, thank you to Makeup Revolution for partnering with her, and yeah, I'm really happy about this palette and this look, and I love you all. I will see you all in my next video. Please make sure to comment down below. Let me know if you got the palette, if you're planning on getting it. It is what you thought about it. It's so good. I seriously recommend it. I haven't tried all of the shades in it, but from what I tried, I was very impressed. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm a little bit all over the place because I'm just like, there's a lot going on, but I love you all. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. Okay, officially done. Bye, my loves.